Well, here I am with my good mate Nige, and it's been a shocking ride. The weather's been terrible, hasn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely. Dire. But we've soldiered on. The hills have been enormous.
Absolutely. Like Everest.
Everest. But we soldier on. Because we
will win.
We will win. Yes. Gee, you're inspiring, Nigel. I am with my best friend Richard.
Yeah, g'day Mike.
We've got to the Bay of Islands. It was pretty difficult, especially we swam with our bikes over our heads to get here.
Yeah, it's been really difficult. A lot of wind,
hail.
Yesterday.
Yep.
The hill's just been diabolical.
Diabolical,
Yeah.
mate.
But we've made it thus far.
And we'll go on.
And we will finish.
Great.
Yeah,
good on
guts
you.
and determination.
Guts
Mike?
and determination?
Yeah.
You're my kind of man.
Yeah, we'll do it.
The people here wave me out. Don't get in there, you know. And then over here it goes Bay of Martyrs.
Now my bike and I have just got to the Bay of Martyrs. I'm feeling like the martyrs. There's a bit of suffering to get here, but a great sight. Well, London Bridge. It's only a matter of time before it falls down. But now I've seen it, so I can do it now. Well, finally in my motel room, clothed and in my right mind, though some may beg to differ. It's been a great day, day 6 of the Great Victorian Bike Ride, where I covered 109 kilometres and saw some fantastic sights. So, getting ready for day 7.